Okay, so let's put both of these things together, the mapping notation, the replacement notation, and then we're going to derive all the formulas and everything else. Okay, so let's look at a question. Beautiful question here. Y equals to f of x, this is our base equation that we have to play around. We're going to transform something, so we're doing with horizontal and vertical movements. Look at the first one. Horizontal means 4 units to the left. Watch out, this is to the left. So what does this mean? Horizontal, if you remember, is our h value. Our h value is going 4 left, so our h value is actually -4. Aha! So quickly write out the formula. You know the formula is y minus k equals to the function x minus h. This now becomes a -4. Substitute it in there. Notice that there's no k here. So k in fact is 0. Well, hey, I'm okay with that. So y equals to f x minus, take the -4, punch it in there, and look what you got. You got y equals to f of x plus 4. Aha! Aha, aha, aha. Now, so let's write out the notations for this. Let's write out the mapping notation for this first. Mapping notation means you're going to take each point and you're going to map them to a new point. So think about it. What did you change? You changed the horizontal. So this new point, the old point, xy, becomes the new point by taking every value of x and subtracting 4 from it. The y's did not change. There's your map. Now, let's do the replacement for this. Well, think about it. All you did is you replaced the x, you took the x, and you replaced it with x plus 4. You're done. That's it. That's how easy it is. Okay? So, let's watch again. Let's do the next one over here. Bada boom. I'm going to do a vertical translation. That's what VT stands for. I'm going to go 5 units up. So vertical is my k value. I'm going 5 units up, plus 5. Look at the original equation. Y minus k equals to the function x minus h. Okay, so think about it. My k now is in fact 5. My h, there's nothing for h. There's no words here describing h. So my h is actually gone. So if we think about this, this is y minus 5 equals to f of x. Aha! Let's look at the map of this now. If we're mapping this, we're taking every point and we're mapping it to a new point. The new point is, guess what? Every y value is going to go up by 5. So the x value stays the same, the y value goes up by 5. Now, let's look at the replacement notation. Replacement notation means what did you do to the original y? I took the original y and I put y minus 5. So the original y becomes y minus 5. Look how these two differ. Right? It's the signs that mean everything here. This is replacement because this is what I put into the equation to give me y minus 5. What does it mean? It means y goes up by 5. Do you see it? Okay, let's do the last one. Ready? Translation's 2 units right. So my h is 2, positive 2. 1 unit down. My k is -1. So look at your original. Y minus k equals to f of x minus h. Throw the values in there. Throw the values in. Here comes the k, which is -1. So this is y minus -1 equals f x minus a positive 2. There's the substitution that you made. Clean it up. This guy becomes y plus 1 f of x minus 2. Now, based on these values, what happened to every single xy? The xy's all change. The x has to increase by 2. Okay, so it'll go x increases by 2. The y's have to decrease by 1. Y decreased by 1. But look at this equation now. How did you change this equation? The way you change this equation is very simple. You took the x in f of x, because remember, this is y equals to f of x. You took the x in f of x, and you made it into x minus 2. You took the y in this equation and made it into y plus 1. There's your replacement, there's your mapping, and there is how you do it.